OnePlus 8 Pro now has X-ray vision. Does that mean you can see through people? Paper Mario has a new game and it's coming out in July, Nintendo fans. Don't go anywhere, this is MLM. Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to MLM Monday Logins with Michelle. So, another Monday, another work from home day lor. I'm not sure when are we gonna start work. Probably soon after Raya. Okay, without further ado, let's hop into our first news. 2 weeks ago, we saw an article on AMD intending to only provide support for their upcoming Ryzen 4000 CPUs on their B550 and X570 chipsets. So after receiving a lot of backlash from the public, AMD made a U-turn and now they will provide support for B450 and X470 chipsets. From what we know so far, it seems like it is going to be released through a beta branch of the BIOS basic input-output system, just like how Ryzen 3000 was supported on the 300 series chipsets. AMD said this will be a one-way update, meaning there's no U-turn, and as we previously reported, the main issue here is lack of ROM capacity to support more CPUs. So how is AMD going to overcome this? From AMD's statement, it seems like they will be disabling support for some older CPUs in order to make way for the new ones. So you will need to be 100% sure before you hit the update button because no U-turn. AMD also said there will be more details coming out later this year, closer to Zen 3's release. Are you guys excited? Is this good news to you? If you own a B450 or X470 motherboard and you want to upgrade to Ryzen 4000 CPU, take note of this. When the OnePlus 8 Pro first came out, many people dismissed its color filter camera and didn't pay much attention to it. So what is so special about a camera that allows you to use filters for your pictures? Well, recently, after a month after the phone launch, some users realized that one of its filters allows you to have X-ray vision. Well, not really. As tested by some users, this filter can allow you to see through plastic, mainly black plastic. In this example, you can see through the plastic cover of a remote control. Same goes to the other devices made with similar materials such as an Apple TV box and even VR headsets. How crazy is that? YouTube channel Unbox Therapy even tested if it can see through clothes. I know that's the #1 question you have in your head when you found out about this color filter camera. But sorry to disappoint you, the answer is no, you cannot see through clothes. But it seems like you might be able to see items that are tightly tucked under certain shirts as shown in Unbox Therapy's video. OnePlus has since responded to the controversy by disabling the feature in China phones that runs on Hydrogen OS and not the global version, Oxygen OS. They are working on an update to eliminate all the primary concerns, especially the concern regarding seeing through clothes. This update will be available on both Hydrogen and Oxygen OS. However, we are unsure when the update will be arriving. Do you have a OnePlus 8 Pro? Have you tried the color filter mode? You don't have to tell me what you try it on, but do you like it? Listen up, Adobe users. Adobe just released an update for their video editing suite that can speed up export time for H.264 and H.265 encoding with the help of your GPU's hardware-based encoding block. FYI, when it comes to encoding, it usually takes up your CPU, not your GPU, The Verge posted a graph suggesting that NVIDIA's RTX 2060 is more than 2.5 times quicker than Intel Core i9-9750H in 4K basic transcode. This benchmark was carried out on a mobile Intel processor. A desktop Core i9 chip will outperform it by some margin. Other major updates include marker shortcuts and also new and improved Adobe Sensei Auto Reframe tool and support for Apple's Pro Resolution RAW format in Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, which means now I can import ProRes RAW files without transcoding them into my Windows PC. Yay, now Simon can add beauty filter onto my videos and I don't have to hear him complain about the crazy long hours of exporting time.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Yo, times like this, I wish I had a Nintendo Switch. Hello, my friend. Anyway, on May 14th, Nintendo surprised Mario fans with an unexpected game announcement. The game Paper Mario, the Origami King will be released for Switch on July 17th. This game features a new ring-based battle system that combines puzzle solving and traditional turn-based combat. There's actually not much to be found on the internet about the game yet. I'm glad that Nintendo is releasing a game that we didn't even know was being worked on. Hopefully, other game developers can follow suit so that we gamers don't have to count our white hairs until the day it's released. Anyone here owns a Switch but doesn't play? Quite a stupid question, but really, if you don't play, right, help a sister out. Please come and PM me. I would love to borrow it from you. You might remember the Humber Conquer COVID-19 bundle because it was such a great deal, or maybe because somebody dropped a fat 10,000 USD on it. But anyway, some people like me, we will remember it because it saved lives. Back again with another good cause. Humble Bundle has teamed up with No Starch Press for a crash course on Python. You get to learn all the essentials quickly with ebooks worth 375 USD. Your purchase will support the Book Industry Charitable Foundation and No Starch Press Foundation. Again, just like any other bundles, you get to choose how much you want to pay for, as low as 1 cent. 1 cent. The link to the page is too long, so I will just include it in our caption. You have 7 more days starting from today to purchase the bundle. So wait, what? Oh, you can always purchase and read later, like 3 years later also can, what? Okay, so now I'm gonna pass my comments time to Shane.
Wow, look, almost as big as my hand. Bigger than Threadripper processor. Okay, let's go. Whee! Selamat Hari Raya. But I'm sorry you guys cannot. Balik kampung. So how many of you guys are back at home right now, and how many of you have to spend your Hari Raya away from your family? Please let me know. Don't be sad, okay bro? Because MLM and Mob House is here to teman you, and also to help you finish the rendang that you cook too much. Moving on to comment section. Jinju Wu say, oh, dark mode, turn on now. Bro, you turn me on. Niklaus said that this new Ryzen laptop will put Intel laptop to shame. I hope so, because I think we need some competition up in here. John Lee Yongjun said, thank you for the video, but I've been waiting patiently for the upcoming GPUs, and I watched Jensen Huang GTC without any news on the consumer card, and all I know is Aorus teasing us with some graphics card posts. Teasing is believing, that's what she said. Hu Mianjun said, new word every week with Michelle. Keyture. Yes, it stands for key features. I think, I don't know lah. That girl sometimes a bit gila. Tan Kayang say, 7 minutes 46 seconds. I can't focus on what Shane is talking. Don't be a white tan, huh? John Raymond Ramirez say, how much if it's in Philippine peso? I don't know bro, because every country launched different price. But I'm surprised that you can understand my Manglish lah. Do you guys speak like that in Philippines as well? Moi Chi Hui say, now I'm more motivated and more reason to comment here and lep out with Shane in the future. Of course bro, if you come lep out with me, I'll belanja you teh tarik. But now MCO, maybe you can stand like 3 meters away, but I'll still belanja you teh tarik. Ian Lee requests more updates on Ryzen 4000 laptops in Malaysia. Thanks. Okay bro, because you say so politely and you say thanks, we will try to do that. Okay, that's all for the comments this week. Please leave more comments down below. I know you guys, you're probably busy preparing for Raya, but I want to hear what you guys think that we should cover more on MLM. You want to see more PC stuff? You want to see more mobile stuff? You want to see more gaming stuff? What? Let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook to see more content from Mob House. We have the accidentally gone viral punboxing series. We also have the excuse for Shane to nag people technically that you can watch. Also, we've made some funny sketches like our very old Alita video, as well as our The Stranger parody and other stuff that will definitely make you laugh lah. I can guarantee you we make so many video, confirm you like one. Because we are professional. In Hokkien, professional is 剛走走，累走少，後果無保 guarantee 嗬。Goodbye, see you in the next one.